Okay, we've got the irises in a gallery here. These galleries are created by your content management system with WidgetKit. So you go to Components, WidgetKit, and you'll see that's the Apple grid stack, and it's the iris gallery, this one that we were just looking at. The Apple one you don't have to worry about, that's used in part of the site. Important not to erase any of these. The easiest way is to probably create a copy of the gallery so that you maintain all of its settings, but you can create a new one if you wanted. This particular gallery works on a folder, so it's using the folder irises. It's going to sort them alphabetically, so it'll put them in alphabetical order, the iris photos within that gallery. So we'll just close that up. To create a new folder, we go to Media, Content, Media, and that will show us our images and our image folders. These are our folders up here. Again, extremely important that if you create files or folders that you use lowercase and no spaces in the name of the folder or file. See everywhere that there's two words, we've put a little dash in between. So to create a new folder, you just go create new folder and you give the folder a name. I'm not sure what name you want to use. What can we call it? So we've got one with irises. Iris. So we can call it irises new. And we create the folder. There's our irises new folder. We now select it and upload an image to it. So we click upload, browse, and I'll use one here that's for gallery, that one, very fulfilling. So let's upload that. And you just keep uploading to this gallery as many photos as you want. I've only got the one, so that's all we need to do there. Go back to our components, down to WidgetKit. Make a copy of this over here, just go copy. And there's the iris gallery copy. So we can call it iris gallery, and I'll take copy out and I'll just put new, but we could call it anything. Saved it. Now we need to put in the new folder. It was new. And it's going to list them alphabetically, blah, blah, blah. And we save it and close it. Now what you will notice is this short code here, this little tag. This is what we need. So we highlight it, only it, not any spaces and we copy it. And now we need to create something that can show it. So this iris gallery here is an article. So we go to articles. And there's our iris gallery article there. And if we clicked on that to open it, we then see the WidgetKit ID from the original one. This one is there, number one. And if we wanted to, we could add the WidgetKit gallery that I've got now. So I look at the source code. Let's enter here. We'll just do a test with this one. We'll pop in the one we just created and say OK and save it. And it says it's saved. Then we go back to here and refresh the page. And now our other gallery should show up. And there's our other gallery here. And of course, if there was more in that folder, then they would just keep showing. So if you ever needed to add to that folder, you just keep going to the content, media, and upload images to that folder, and they will automatically show in the gallery here. Now let's say that we don't want this in here. We can take that back out. Oops, sorry. No, I can't do it that way. So we take that back out and all the spaces and everything, we take it all back out and we save and close that. We go back to our gallery, refresh, and that'll go. And we'll just be left with these ones, back to normal again. Let's create a new photo gallery under here, just by way of example. What we need to do is make a copy of this gallery, because this gallery already has all the settings that we need. That's the easiest way. See, when you look at the gallery, you've got these things down the side here. They're modules. So by creating a copy, we retain those modules. So all we need to do is say save it as a copy. And it will put the little 2 after that, and then we can call it, we can call it new releases. How about that? But you could call it anything you like. Whoops, and in here you can have spaces and capitals, because it uses this part over here. So we take that out and we just say to save it. And once we've saved it, you'll see that it's put new releases in here. I can then put that in there if I wanted to. And I'm going to publish. That way it'll be visible. The category doesn't really matter. So let's save and close that. And there's our new releases article. Now, it won't show again on the front of the website because we haven't assigned it to a menu item. So there's 3 areas to do the gallery. Create the gallery, create the article, and then assign it to a menu. So we're going to go over and we're going to make it part of our main menu, which is this menu at the top here, this one. Now, it's fairly full, so we're not going to fit anything further in here. We're going to have to make it as a subcategory of the photo gallery. So we're going to do that. This little lock means that someone's visited it, but they haven't closed it correctly. I can just fix that. Check in. And the little lock should go away when I do that. There we go. Now, what were we in? Gallery. So our photo gallery is here. And we're going to make another. I just want to look at it first to make sure there's nothing in here that might be unusual. Tonelli, Osiris. It's already got its options. They're all global. That's relevant. Yep. Page normal. Yep. Okay, so I think the best thing to do here is to, again, save this as a copy so that we maintain all of our settings. And it'll put the 2 once it's done that. There we go. And now we can call it new releases. And we can take that bit out and then just save it just once on save, not close. It'll rename it and put the correct thing in for us, which it's done. It's an article, but it's not this article. It's another article. It's the new releases article. So we select the new releases article. And over here you'll see it's in the main menu, and it's the main menu item root, which means it's going to be on the main bar. We don't want that. We want it to be a subcategory of our photo gallery. So we select photo gallery. And then we say publish. Now you'll see here it says ordering. If we had lots, we could put them in order. So if we had new releases, we could put it first and old releases second, or 2017 releases, wherever we wanted it, we could tell it what order it would show in this drop down in this. So that would be 1, 2, 3, so on. So there's only one in here, so we're not going to have to worry about that. So we can save it. I'm just going to leave it open for a minute. I want to make sure that it does it correctly. It says that it's saved. We go over, refresh the page. Yeah, and there's our new releases. Select new releases. Whoops. And what we didn't do, see, ruined that. Over here on the article, we kept the old widget kit ID. See, that's where we made an error there. But that's easily fixed because this widget ID is 4, not 1. I think it was 4 from memory. But anyway, so let's save that now. That's where we made our error. And if we refresh, there's our new. So it's got new releases. Everything's correct. And that's how it's done. Thank you.